This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making chicken stew with potatoes and carrots. We'll start by smashing up 4 cloves of garlic. Remove the skin. Next, slice up 1 medium onion, and roll cut 2 carrots. Cut up 3 potatoes. I have here 1 whole chicken that has been chopped up into pieces. You may use any other parts of the chicken you prefer, but try to use chicken with bones in them, as the bones will impart more flavor into your stew. In a pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Put in the onions and garlic. Fry them till they are fragrant and caramelize on the surface, something like this. Add in the chicken. This is a bit dry. I'll add in another tablespoon of oil. Fry the chicken till the surface of the chicken turns brown. Add in the carrots and the potatoes. Then, pour in enough water to about half to 3/4 of the way up to the top of the ingredients. Season this with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. One teaspoon of dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Bring this to a boil and lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Stir the chicken halfway through the cooking process. This is so that the ingredients on the top can get to the bottom and everything cooks evenly. If at the end of the 30 minutes there is too little liquid left, just add some more water to it. The potatoes take the longest to cook, so your dish is done when the potatoes are cooked. To test for doneness, stick a fork into the center of the potato. It should go through easily. It is important at this point to taste and adjust for seasoning, as the amount of water you use affects the level of seasoning. Thicken the stew with some cornstarch slurry. That's 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 4 tablespoons of water. Only stir in half the cornstarch slurry. Wait to see if the stew is thick enough. If it's not thick enough, stir in some more. This is a simple chicken stew with potatoes and carrots.